to talk to this kids who are here, students who are here. There are about how many?
46.
46 students. That's a great number. All the students on the call, I don't know, Ismail was saying that I'm some guest speaker. I think I'm just a mute spectator who wanted to learn something about what's happening here. So don't consider me as a special person or anything. Consider me as one of the students amongst you. But it's good that you're all part of this career awareness sessions. I have never been part of this when I was at school. So I always feel that I should have, if someone guided me well while I was in school, perhaps I would have been in a better place, doing better things. So that way, it's great that you're all taking interest voluntarily and being part of this classroom. Make use of the best of the opportunity that you've had. Essentially, what will help you move from where you are today, and your how the way your family's life will change, your life will change, depends on how well you are planning your opportunities from now on. So if you're not very serious about what you want to be in future and how you want to get there, and I think your life will again be in the same slum areas that your parents are right now, and then all the hard work that they're doing to actually give you a better life might not be reality. So if you really want to move up and meet the expectations and the dreams of your parents and your own self, then I think you all have to be serious about planning your career and how you can get there. That's the only thing I wanted to tell all of you. And I think Ismail and Ahmed and everyone who is part of this initiative will show you all the career opportunities so that you can better plan how you can reach there. Ismail, I wouldn't want to take more time. On this note, I would like to congratulate both you and Ahmed for starting this initiative early on and supporting so many students. Wish you good luck, and to all the students who are part of this course, we would like to see them in many key positions in the future as a result of Project Disha, and their families would get benefit. I'm hoping that their families and their own personal lives will get benefited a lot. 10 years down the line, they should feel that it's because of the sessions that I attended when I was in 8th grade, 9th grade, or 10th grade. Today, I'm in a different place. I'm hoping to see that day. Yeah.
Thank you so
Thanks for
much.
inviting me also to be part of this and then observe it. Yeah.
Actually, we are actually planning another session with you. So especially, so thank you so much for, inviting thank you so much for accepting our invitation and within a very short time, and you just attended. Thank you so much. And for all the support that you give, Pramod Bhaiya, thank you so much for that. And yeah, just like how Bhaiya was sharing, right? Yeah. Just like how Bhaiya was sharing, right? If you want your life to be developed from where you are to where you want to be, you need to stay focused and plan well. So the only reason that we are doing all this is to see your life, growing, right? We want to see your life going better and to be in a good position, right? Yeah. So without Ahmed, anything that you want to share? Ahmed, are you there? Ahmed, are you there?
Yeah, Ismail, I'm listening.
Yeah. Like, you want to share before we hand it over to the main speaker?
I'm really excited. Like from the past three sessions that you have been exploring and getting exposure to various career opportunities. Right now, we are moving to a next level in developing different skills. In the upcoming phases, so we'll be closely, personally mentoring you all. So hold tight and please utilize all the knowledge and try to apply all this in your life. As everyone, Pramod has mentioned, Ismail has mentioned, that everyone is willing to see you on the top positions, key positions in life. So it starts from you, it ends from you. We are just the resource for you to go there. Okay, guys, all the best for you. Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ahmed. So, without any further delay, let me introduce our today's speaker. So, this speaker that we have today, is such one wonderful speaker. Like whenever I listen to him, I feel like wow, so nice, awesome. In fact, I've stolen so many tricks from Joy sir. So I call him Anna, but he's a sir to like so many people, like almost 20,000 people across the globe. So he's a director in one of the one of the wings, one of the branch of Toastmasters. Toastmasters is one of the reputed organization that deals with public speaking and leadership. So guys, the kind of guest that we have today is not an not ordinary guest. His time is precious, and he charges for every minute that he talks with people. But today, just for us, I didn't pay him anything. I said, Anna, please, we need your guidance. Then he's here. So just understand how much we value all of you. So just utilize this time to the best, like listen carefully. At the end, when you have questions, we'll be taking those questions. Yeah, Anna, I don't find words to describe you better. But yeah, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Hey, thank you. Good morning, everybody. And I hope I'm audible. You guys can hear me?
Yes, Anna, can you please a bit louder?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, guys, I want all of you to fill the chat box and buzz it with all the welcomes.
Okay, so if you guys can hear me, just give me a thumbs up quickly. That would be fun on your screen or in the chat box, wherever. Thank you, Simran. Oh, yo, Sadia, Anusha, Ash, Amreen. Oh my God, you guys are so fast. Pawan, Yashmin, Prince. Thank you, everybody. God bless you guys. So I'm just one regular guy like any one of you. Nothing special about me. The only thing special about me is that Sai Kishore, we will just mute Sai Kishore. So
Sir,
Ismail just,
can I be you louder, sir? Your voice is not coming, sir.
okay, fine. I'll try to be louder. Just give me 1 second. I think my,
Anna, can you please unmute yourself? You're on mute. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
now how is it?
Perfect.
Now it is fine?
Yeah.
Okay, so I was using microphone from the computer and earphones from here. So that's the reason this was not working. So now I'm clear, right?
Perfect.
Okay, fine. Great. Thank you. Thank you for the feedback, Ma. I don't know which one of you said that because there are so many of you on this particular screen. See, if you find me going fast in fifth gear, 120 speed in with English, just tell me, just raise a hand and say, sir, thamba, thamba, go slow. So I'll come down to third gear, 30 speed. I can do that. So I mostly teach in English throughout my this thing. So whenever you find I'm going fast, so I'll immediately go slow. Okay, just tell me that I'm going fast if you ever find me doing that. So I'll quickly share my screen before we go forward. So here it is. And how much time will I have, Ismail?
35 minutes, Anna.
Okay, perfect. And what's the time right now? So you'll have to time me
10:15.
yeah, at around 30. You can just say at in 10:15, right?
Yeah.
So at 10:30, you can give me the first note
Sure.
that it's at
Sure.
around. I'll not even speak 1 minute more. You know how I am. So if you say 30 minutes, 30 minutes it is. I do not like wasting time of people at all. So first of all, I would like to welcome all of you. Do we have the annotations on? Yay. So do you guys know how to use annotations? So if you go on the top of your screen, there is something known as annotations on. I have never used a tab personally. I use only my mobile and this. So annotation will be something like this. Yeah, Simran is using that. So you can draw something. Yes, perfect, good. So you can put something like this on the screen. You can see it happening right now. Awesome. So in this, there is something known as a stamp. Thank you. Yeah, I like that creativity. So there is something known as a stamp in this. I would like you guys to go at stamp. In stamp, we will have, okay, we'll let them go through this. So in annotations, you will find something known as stamps. Okay, they are experimenting this. I think they're using it for the first time. When I was in a training, Ishmael, for the first time, it was an international training, and somebody told me about this, and I was like all in the middle doing this. So it happens all the time. Don't worry about it. Okay, so now we can stop with the annotations. Thank you. So I will tell you where to do the annotations from here onwards. Are you? Thank you. Perfect. Okay. So I like that all of you are awake and alive. That is a wonderful thing. That is what we all wanted to see, that you're not sleeping. So whenever you feel like you're feeling sleepy, anybody who's feeling sleepy can come and use the annotation. It'll help you to wake up. So if you're not feeling sleepy, don't use that. Abdul, thank you. So when you use annotation as a host, I get your name also over here, which is an interesting part. So your Ismail Bhaiya will have an idea all the time who's doing the annotations. That is the best part about having annotations. Okay, so let's quickly introduce ourselves. I'll move to the first slide that we have over here. Okay, I'm still in annotations. Sorry. And this time these annotations are from me, not from anybody else. Okay, so you can see 4 images over here. So when you grow up in life, now is the time to use the annotations. First, listen to me properly. I have given 4 options over here. If you have anything else, you can use the annotation in a different way. So there are 4 things that you can see over here. Do you, when you grow up, you want to be a government employee? You would like to be a businessman? You would like to be an entertainer, like a YouTuber or an actor or a singer dancer, or you would like to be an inventor, someone who invents a lot of stuff. So now I would like you to go to annotations and mark. For example, in annotations, there is something known as a stamp. In stamp, you will see a heart. For example, you want to be a government employee, so put it over here. You want to be an inventor, put it over here. You want to be a businessman, put it over here. Or you want to be an entertainer, you can put it over here. So this is the time to see what do you want to do when you grow up in life. So annotations are unlocked. All of you can please do that. Okay, Mohammed wants to be a businessman. Awesome. And know these drawings, just you have to go to stamp, and in stamp you will find open stamps and annotations. Yes, we got one more reply. Someone wants to be a government employee. Nice. Someone wants to be an inventor. Amazing. And we have more rolling in. Shivas wants to be a government employee. Sadia wants to be a businessman. Nice. Simran wants to be a inventor. Awesome. And this guy wants to be everything with a big thing in the middle. So anything that comes. Awesome. Okay, more people want to be government employees. So we'll just give you 30 more seconds. This is all yours, this particular screen. So the one which is the darkest, which has the maximum blocks on it, is will be the one which is the winner. So don't do more than one. Someone is doing so many of them. Inventor, oh my God, government employee. Lovely. Entertainer is not getting anything. Businessman got very few. So everybody here wants to be either an inventor or a government employee. Okay, 10 more seconds for you. So let's see what do you do in the next 10 seconds. Which one of these gets more votes? Awesome. Entertainer got a big one. Inventor got a circle. Lovely. Businessman got a huge tick. Government employees only getting arrows. Bombarded. Okay, thank you. So let's quickly stop it. So you can help in clearing this off. Thank you, everybody, for this. Yeah, thanks a lot. Now let's get into the session. Thank you. Okay, Pawan, excitement is good. Now please stop. Thank you. We get your names actually, so please don't do that. Ishmael, don't upset poor Ishmael. So lovely. Thanks a lot. So did you notice all of us want to do different things? And something that you need to know, that no matter what you want to do, it is possible for you to do any one of these. For example, I'm a teacher. Sometimes I have to behave little like a businessman. Sometimes I have to think like an creator or an inventor. And sometimes I have to be an entertainer when I'm teaching. So I have to play various roles. Now, for anything and everything that you want to do in life, there are 3 important aspects for you. And these 3 things are what any corporate HR or any businessman or any actor, any one of you need to have these 3 things. So when you do not have these 3, then the problem will actually start. So everybody will be asking you, ask. You want to be a businessman, people will ask you. You want to be a teacher like me, people will ask you. You want to be an amazing trainer like Ishmael. They will ask you to have some knowledge. You want to be a politician, you want to be an actor, you want to be a singer, you want to be a YouTuber, you want to be a PUBG player. Everywhere you want to go, you will have to answer this ask which everybody is asking you. So what do you mean by ask? No matter which job you do, the market, in the industry, the people, the businessmen, everybody will ask you this one question. You excited to know what this ask is? In the chat box, you can give me a reply if you want to. If you are excited to know what is everybody going to ask you, this is the time to use the chat. You can say yes, excited. Just type excited. You will learn one spelling also. Awesome, Simran, great. Excited. Even I was excited when I learned this around 15 years ago, and before I lost these hair. So that is the time when everything started changing. Awesome. Yeah, excited, Muhammad Azmat. I'm also super excited to tell you this. Some of you might have already known this. Thank you. You guys are amazing, you know. Why I like you guys so much in the first 5 minutes, Ishmael, I would like to thank you. Very rarely we get students, especially in this generation, who are so obedient. So when I asked them to use annotations, they all used annotations. When you ask them to use chat, and when even I ask them to use chat, everybody is using chat. Now, this is the kind of students who have one element in ask already present, the first one. So if you are obedient to authority, or when someone says you something and you listen to it honestly, you have one of the things in ask. Now, ask has three important things, and I'm super excited. Thank you, Ishmael, for calling me. It is not their privilege, it is my privilege to be teaching to such wonderful students who are having such a good attitude. So these are the three things anybody will be asking you. We will be dealing with all the three one by one. And if you can understand this, my friends, if you can understand this one principle is going to be mind blowing. It has changed lives of millions of people. It is just a simple thing, but it is not a simple thing. It's one of the most important principles of life which can really transform you. Okay, you guys are able to understand my language, right? Ishmael, it's good. I'm going good.
Yes, yes, Ama, yes.
Awesome. If you find that I'm using anything bombastic, please tell me. Okay. So what is ask? Ask is nothing but attitude, skill, and knowledge. So this is the first thing that you need to learn about anything. For example, if you want to be a doctor, you need to have the knowledge of a doctor. If you want to be an engineer, you want to have the knowledge of an engineer. If you want to be a trainer, coach like me, if you want to be a trainer, mentor like your friend Ishmael, if you want to be a businessman, no matter what you want to do, you need to have knowledge of that subject. And if you do not have knowledge of that subject, you will not be able to get the skill and the attitude of that. And this is something which all your teachers and everybody, including your parents, keep telling you: knowledge, 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 knowledge. Knowledge is one of the biggest superpowers on this planet today. Anybody who has knowledge is valued. Remember that, because knowledge is one of the biggest things on this planet. If you want to earn, you will have to add an L before that earn. So in the chat, just tell me, if you have to earn, what do you have to do? You have to add an L before earn. So what does it become when you add a L before an earn? Learn. Thank you, Simran. That's one of the brightest ones we have over here. If you learn, you can easily earn. Yes, thank you. That's one of the principles. So knowledge is one of the most important elements that we have. I'll give you a simple example. For example, I'm a trainer. If you look behind me, there are 650 books that I have read. My age is around 40. There are around 650 books that I've learned. I've done around 18 different courses. I'm an MA in English. I have almost completed my MBA. I'm not bragging about it, but why am I doing all this? Because I need knowledge. When I have to deal with some amazing students like you, of your age, I deal with people from age 10 to age 60, and it's like almost 50 years. There are, in these 50 years of people, how much knowledge do you think I need? If I do not have the knowledge, do you think Ishmael would have invited me to this particular session? Of course, no. The reason why I'm here is because I'm not respected. My knowledge is respected. If you want people to respect you, they will have to respect you because of the knowledge. Your knowledge can be in anything. It can be religious knowledge. It can be computer knowledge. It can be YouTube knowledge. It can be any kind of a knowledge. It can be gaming knowledge. It can be programming language knowledge. It can be English knowledge. It can be anything. But if you do not work on your knowledge, knowledge is the basic foundation of success. The day you become superpower in knowledge is the day people will start respecting you. Now, how do you get knowledge? There are three sources which all of you have to get knowledge. And are these three available to you? Once I tell you the three sources, you can say yes or no, or if these three are available to you, because you have some amazing trainers like Ishmael and his entire team who will be helping you. So the first thing is books. The second is internet. And the third is mentor. I'll repeat it again. The first is books. You have to read books to get knowledge. The second is internet. All these books are available online. And the third is a mentor. Now, do you have all these three available with you? If yes, say yes. If no, say no. You have all the three. So it means you have full access to knowledge. You cannot make an excuse that I do not have knowledge. Now, let's move to the next one because I'll connect all the three together. The next one is known as skills. Now, how is knowledge different from skill? Is there any difference in between these two? I will pause here for a minute. If any one of you would like to share something, this is your time. What is the difference between knowledge and skill? Because we are majorly gonna deal on this skill part today. So any one of you would like to unmute and say, what do you mean by skill? And how is it different from knowledge? Anyone? I'll see for 10 seconds and then I'll continue.
Guys, please raise your hand if you want to share so that I
Anyone?
can unmute them.
Any one of you can do that. You can give me a wrong answer. There are no right answers.
So from my thinking, skill is that it is in our mind. Whatever we do better, that is our skill.
Nice. Very good. That was a very, very good answer. Thank you, Ma, for trying that. You're a blessed child. Your parents should be super proud of you, Ma. God bless you. So anybody else would like to
Can
try
I
this?
have,
Yes,
can I
please,
have
Ma.
a chance?
Yes, Pooja.
Yeah. Knowledge is something which can become a skill, but skill is something which cannot become a knowledge.
Okay, that's also a wonderful try, Pooja. Thank you. God bless you. See, there is no harm in giving answers. The way we teach here in Teach India is very simple. Every answer, please remember, every answer is a right answer. In life, you will have to know this. When I'm dealing going forward, you will understand that. People who give answers are people who learn, because when you give answer, do you know what happens? Number one, you will come to know whether this answer is right or wrong. If the answer is right, you know, Amma, the answer is right. If the answer is wrong, you will learn the answer is wrong and you will learn the right answer. But if you just keep sitting like a pantalu, nothing will happen. So that's the reason whenever you get an opportunity, whenever a teacher asks you answer, just say, "Mere ko bolne do." I need to answer that. Okay, cool. So let me quickly give you, okay, we'll not take more questions, answers because I've got short time. So let me quickly tell you, anything which is inside here, your khopri, your brain, your dimag is knowledge. Very simple. And anything that you can do is a skill. Simple. It's as simple as theory and practical. I'll give you a little example. For example, I buy a book and tell you, beta, is kitab ko pad lo. You can fly an aeroplane after reading this book. Is kitab ko 6 mahine pad lo. Read. You read this book every day for the next 6 months. Do you think you'll become a pilot after 6 months? Just by reading this particular book in the chat box, you can answer me now. Just by reading, no, you're perfect. That is the difference between knowledge and skill. How do you think you will become a pilot? By getting the skill of a pilot. So how do you think skill will come? Skill comes by doing something, and knowledge comes by studying something. That's the biggest difference. Till the time you do not do, I'll give another example which boys will understand maybe better, and maybe some of the girls can also understand. I go to my best friend Sachin Tendulkar and I tell him, Sachin Anna, give me a book on how to play cricket. Some of my students want to know कि cricket कैसे खेलना है. So my best friend Sachin Tendulkar gives me a book on how to play cricket. I buy that book and give it to you. बच्चा लोग पढ़ लो इसको, तुम सबके सब सचिन बन जाओगे. You think just by reading this book you will become a cricketer? No. Do you know why? Because you have the knowledge of how to play cricket, but you do not have the skill of a cricketer. Skill आने का एक ही तरीका है. There is only one way skill will come. Skill comes by doing something. Many of you say that watching TV is my hobby. I do not believe in it. Whenever you're doing something and only sitting and not, whenever you're just observing something and not doing something, it is not a hobby, it is a time pass. But when you're doing something, then it becomes a hobby and a skill. So if you want to improve your communication, what do you have to do first? Read about communication. Second, practice about communication. So knowledge will always transfer to skill. You want to become super good in computers, read computer related knowledge, how to use Excel, how to use Word, how to use programming language. Read it, understand it. And once you have done that, practice it. And the moment you start working on your skills, or simply we call it practicing your skills, result will only show then. Now, skill is something that you can show to the people. Okay, it is computer. Communication is a skill or knowledge? In the chat box, can I quickly see it? Communication skill होता है या knowledge होता है? Communication knowledge, skill. Thank you, Pooja. Amazing. Computer knowledge or computer skill? Computer knowledge या computer skill? Computer का क्या होता है? Yes, Simran, correct. Computer is knowledge because आपकी खोपड़ी में है. Typing knowledge or typing skill? Typing is a skill because you have to do it. Walking skill, singing skill, playing guitar skill, anything जो दुनिया को आप दिखा सकते हो वो skill है. And अगर वो आपके यहाँ में अंदर है तो it is knowledge. That is the basic difference. And some of the things, for example, I am a singer and I play guitar. Okay, so there are 7 different सुर्स that we have. मुझे उन सुरों की जब तक समझ नहीं है, knowledge नहीं है, तब तक मैं उनको skill में नहीं ला सकता हूँ. How many of you know swimming over here? Anybody knows swimming over here? Say yes. I know city people will not. Okay. Ruxana Begum knows swimming. Thank you. Simran knows swimming. Good. So do you think swimming is a skill or a knowledge? Quickly. Skill. Thank you, Aisha. Lovely. You're getting it right. So now you're able to understand the difference between this. So अगर आपको किसी भी चीज को सीखना है, skill में लाना है, you will have to first acquire the knowledge of that. And where do you get the knowledge? Any one of you can write it in the chat box. There are 3 places to get those knowledge. What are those 3? Quickly, just any one of you can write it over there in the chat box. वो 3 चीजें क्या है जहां से आपको knowledge मिल सकती है? Books. Thank you, Anushka. Was the second one. Internet, computer, good. And the third one, mentor. And आपके पास ये तीनों है. आपके पास बुक्स भी है जो ऑनलाइन भी मिल जाती हैं, आपके पास कंप्यूटर्स भी है, इंटरनेट आपको सारे आंसर देता है, आपके पास अमेजिंग मेंटर है लाइक इस्माइल एंड हिज टीम, आपके पास तीनों है. सो आपको जिस भी फील्ड में नॉलेज चाहिए, विच एवर फील्ड यू वांट नॉलेज फ्रॉम, get it and do not make excuses. First get the knowledge and then start practicing it into a skill. Now let's see what's the third one. The third one is known as attitude. Now what do you mean by attitude? ये लोग इसके लोगों ने बहुत ही ज्यादा मतलब lot of people are misunderstanding about attitude. But please remember, there is no right or wrong attitude. एक चीज I would like to make it very clear. Attitude, I will not take a lot of time in explaining this because we actually do not have a lot of time. But I would like to, yeah, Mehraj, thank you for the design. So attitude is something, a conscious choice that you make. For example, you are a student right now, okay? And I'm teaching. As a teacher, I want you to have a student-like attitude. For example, listening to me, not disturbing the whole class, following the instructions, that's good attitude. But if you do not do that and you disturb the class, the same thing will become bad attitude. Now you're sitting with your friends and everybody is having fun. And over there you are sitting seriously like a pantalu. Now that is bad attitude with your friends. When your friends are there, do excitement, do jump around. You are in a park. What is the attitude expected from a student like you in a park? Be excited, run around, play, have fun. It is amazing. But in the classroom, can you do the same thing which you are doing in a park? Of course, no. So attitude is nothing but your common sense कि कहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, that is attitude. You are able to understand that? When you are in front of your parents, you need to have an attitude. When you're in front of your teacher, you need to have an attitude. When you're in front of your friends, you need to have an attitude. When you're in front of your younger brother or sister and you become their protector, you need to have an attitude. When you speak to your grandparents, you need to have an attitude. So you need to understand, आपके पास ये common sense होनी चाहिए कि कहाँ पे क्या कब और कैसे करना है. That is attitude. For example, ये एक classroom है and इस classroom के अंदर में आप बनियान पहन के आ गए. Do you think that is good attitude? Of course no. But in your house, you wear a banyan and sit whole day. Your parents are like, मेरा बच्चा कितना प्यारा है. Wear, no problems. It's amazing attitude in the house. But in a classroom, of course no. In the आप घर के अंदर में शर्ट टाई पहन के ऐसे करके सूट पहन के बैठे हुए हैं. Do you think that is a good attitude? Of course आपके पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे दीवाना हो गया हमारा बच्चा, he's gone crazy. घर के अंदर टाई शर्ट टाई पहन के बैठा हुआ है, अरे पगलेट उतारो इसको. They will laugh at you because in the house that is not a right attitude. But in a classroom जब आप इंटरव्यू देने जाएंगे, अगर आप एक टाई सूट ब्लेजर पहन के जाएंगे, everybody will be like yes ये है एम्प्लॉय. So this is the difference. For example, I'll give you some more examples. एक डॉक्टर का एक एटीट्यूड होता है. Imagine you go to a hospital, वहां पे एक डॉक्टर है जो स्पाइक बाला लगा के सनग्लासेस पहन के इधर टैटू लगा के और एक टी शर्ट पहन के बैठा है, माइन आई एम अ सेक्सी डूड. और आप उससे इलाज करने के लिए आप और आपके पेरेंट गए एंड वो आपको हॉस्पिटल में जाते बोला यो ब्रो व्हाट डू यू वांट. आपको कैसा लगेगा? डू यू थिंक यू विल टेक ट्रीटमेंट फ्रॉम सच अ डॉक्टर? आप क्या करोगे? टर्न करोगे और भागोगे. ये दीवाना है, रैपर दिख रहा, डॉक्टर नहीं दिख रहा हमारे को. व्हाई? बिकॉज डॉक्टर हैज एन एटीट्यूड. ए टीचर हैज एन एटीट्यूड. अगर आपका टीचर है और आपको गलत लैंग्वेज में बात करता है, जैसे आपको स्लैंग वर्ड्स यूज करता है, आपको गधा अरे तुरे बोलता है, दैट्स अ बैड टीचर. उस टीचर के पास एटीट्यूड नहीं है सही पढ़ाने का. आप उस टीचर से तालीम लेना चाहोगे? ऑफ कोर्स नो. ओके, थैंक यू. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. अभी आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं. आप एक ऑटो रिक्शा में जा रहे हो और ऑटो रिक्शा के अंदर में एक आदमी पूरा व्हाइट शर्ट, पूरा पॉलिटिशियन के कपड़े पहन के फुल इंग्लिश में आपसे बात कर रहा है. यो वेयर डू यू वांट टू गो? आपको उसको देखते ही 2 मिनट में झटका लगेगा. व्हाई विल यू फील शॉक? बिकॉज एन ऑटो ड्राइवर हैज एन एटीट्यूड. ए माउस बेचने वाला हैज एन एटीट्यूड. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज रिमेंबर, आप लोगों में से बहुत सारे लोग स्टडीज नहीं करना चाहते हैं. इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम्स. बट डू यू हैव द एटीट्यूड टू लिव अ लाइफ of struggle and hardship? For example, some of you want to be singers. My youngest brother is a singer. Do you know how many years it took for him to become a singer? 12 years. 12 years he did not have money to earn. His age is 32 and now finally he's established. 12 साल he did not earn anything because वो म्यूजिक बजा रहा था, वो गिटार बजा रहा था. उसने बहुत सारे हिंदी मूवीज, तेलुगु मूवीज में भी म्यूजिक दिया है. बट क्या आपके पास 12 साल पेशेंटली वेट करने का? लोग आपकी बेइज्जती करेंगे. क्या है, तुम्हारी शादी नहीं हुई, बच्चे नहीं है, तुम्हारे को काम नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास जॉब नहीं है, बेरोजगार, अरे दीवाने, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. कैन यू हियर दिस फॉर 12 इयर्स एंड स्टिल से नहीं, मैं अपने पैशन को फॉलो करूंगा और एक दिन मैं एक अच्छा म्यूजिशियन या सिंगर बनूंगा? दैट इज एन एटीट्यूड. इफ यू हैव दैट एटीट्यूड, अगर आपके पास सबके साथ लड़ने का एटीट्यूड है तो आप अपने हॉबी को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. नाउ देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ एटीट्यूड्स दैट यू नीड टू हैव. I'm going to deal with that, and with that we will quickly move on. So the first, there are two kinds of career paths that you have. One is study, simple, पढ़ो आगे बढ़ो, simple. Second, मत पढ़ो और आगे बढ़ो. Now आपको इन दोनों में से एक चूज करना है. The पढ़ो and आगे बढ़ो, it means study and go forward. It's a very easier one. वो कैसा है? हैदराबाद टू विजयवाड़ा की तरह 6 लेन हाईवे है, बना हुआ है ऑलरेडी. क्योंकि जितने भी लोग पहले आपसे पढ़े, एवरीबॉडी वेंट ऑन दैट हाईवे. 2-2 किलोमीटर बना बना के एकदम साफ करके रखे हाईवे. आप जैसे क्लास 12 कर लेंगे, आपको बहुत सारे जॉब्स खुल जाएंगे. क्लास 10 भी नहीं बोल रहा, क्लास 12. आप जैसे ग्रेजुएशन करेंगे, आपके लिए सारी आईटी कंपनीज, हाईटेक सिटी में जितनी आईटी कंपनीज है सब में आपको जॉब मिल जाएगा। अगर आपने इंजीनियरिंग करा तो टेक्निकल फर्म्स में भी आपको जॉब मिलेगा। अगर आपने मास्टर्स एमए कर लिया मेरी तरह में तो आप बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटीज तक जा सकते हैं। अगर आपने पीएचडी कर लिया तो आप इंटरनेशनल भी जा सकते हैं। अगर आपने पीएचडी, आपको पीएचडी करते करते 25 इयर्स लगते हैं टोटल, आपकी लाइफ 25 साल में हो जाता है। डू यू नो व्हाट इज द स्टार्टिंग सैलरी ऑफ अ पीएचडी? कुछ नहीं करके आपको एक स्कूल में प्रिंसिपल बन के 80-90,000 ऐसे स्टडी मिल जाती है आपको। दैट इज वन वे। स्टडी करने का सिंपल रूट है, एक मस्त हाईवे है, पढ़ लो, हाईवे पे चढ़ जाओ और चले जाओ, थोड़ा आराम से गाड़ी हल्लू ढकल लेते हुए चले जाना, चले जाएगी गाड़ी wherever you want to go, because study wala highway has no disturbance on it, 100% guaranteed result. Second, नहीं पढ़ो पर आगे बढ़ो। Now this is that route जहां पे रोड बना हुआ नहीं है, आपको खुद बनाना है। It means this road is not made. You do not know where will you go. You have to make, आपको अपना रास्ता खुद बनाना है। उस रास्ते के लिए आपके पास टाइम होना चाहिए, पेशेंस होना चाहिए, आपकी फैमिली का सपोर्ट होना चाहिए। आपको पूरा का पूरा रास्ता खुद बनाना है। पहले रास्ता बनाना और फिर उसके ऊपर गाड़ी चलाना है, क्योंकि ये रास्ता बना हुआ नहीं है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने जब कंपनी छोड़ी, इट हैज टेकन मी, मेरे को 12 साल लगे हैं यहाँ, मेरे को भी ऑलमोस्ट 11 ईयर्स लगे हैं यहाँ तक पहुंचने के लिए। टुडे आई एम एन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेनर। जब मैं भी एक कॉर्पोरेट में काम करता था, अपने बैंक, HSBC बैंक और डेल का नाम सुना होगा, आई हैव वर्कड इन दोस टू। So what had happened is when I was working in IT, सब अच्छा चल रहा था, मस्त, हर महीने के 60, 70, 80 हजार रुपए तनख्वाह मस्त बैंक में आ जाती थी। कूल, कुछ नहीं, टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, काम करो, 30 तारीख को फुल 60,000 तनख्वाह बैंक में गिर गई, सुकून की जिंदगी एकदम मस्त। पर 2010 में मैंने 2009 में एक्चुअली मैंने डिसाइड करा कि मुझे नहीं करना, मुझे अपना रास्ता खुद बनाना है। एंड आई लेफ्ट। डू यू नो फर्स्ट 4 years तक आई डिड नॉट अर्न एनीथिंग, कुछ भी नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे को नहीं मालूम था कि वो रास्ता क्या होगा। मेरे आई हैड टू रियली स्टडी, इसीलिए आई हैड टू डू 18 सर्टिफिकेट्स। थैंक यू इस्माइल। आई हैड टू डू 18 सर्टिफिकेशंस टू बी वेयर आई एम टुडे। तो आपके पास दो रास्ते हैं, इजी रास्ता जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है, ऑलरेडी बना हुआ रास्ता है, पढ़िए, हाईवे पे चढ़िए और आगे बढ़िए, वेरी सिंपल। दूसरा, मत पढ़िए, अपना रास्ता खुद बनाइए और आगे बढ़िए। इट इज अ डिफिकल्ट वन। मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि पढ़ाई करके आप करोड़पति बनेंगे, ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। दोनों रास्ते गुड हैं, बट सेकंड रास्ते के लिए आपके पास एटीट्यूड और कैरेक्टर होना चाहिए। हजारों लोग आपके मुंह पे बोलेंगे चल आगे बढ़, आगे बढ़, चल कौन है रे तू, आई डोंट नो यू, तुम ट्रेनर हो, तुम ये प्रोडक्ट लेकर आए, तुम सिंगर हो, तुम म्यूजिशियन हो, कौन हो तुम डांसर हो, चलो निकलो इधर से। They will reject you, they will kick you, they will just push you out, they will not give you entrance in their company, you will not have money, you will not be respected. But do you have the patience to fight with the world? If the answer is yes, go for the second one. मत पढ़ो, आराम से आगे बढ़ो, and there is unlimited earning in this. But अगर आपके पास ये कैरेक्टर नहीं है, ये वाला एटीट्यूड नहीं है दुनिया के साथ लड़ने का, then just zip up, study and go forward. Now आपका एटीट्यूड चेक करने के लिए हमारे पास, now these are the three things: attitude, skill and knowledge. You always please remember this golden lines. You can learn knowledge and skill, ये दोनों आपको सिखाए जा सकते हैं, पर एटीट्यूड आपको कोई नहीं सिखा सकता है। Knowledge and skill can be taught, but attitude has to be caught. एटीट्यूड आप दूसरों को देख के सीखते हो, आपके आस पड़ोस को, आपके मोहल्ले को। इसीलिए आप जिस एरिया से आते हो आपका एटीट्यूड वैसा ही होता है, आपका एटीट्यूड चेंज नहीं होता है, बिकॉज यू आर फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया। आपकी फैमिली, आपकी सोसाइटी आपका एटीट्यूड बनाती है। Knowledge, please remember these golden lines: knowledge and skill can be taught, but attitude has to be caught. So if you want to have an attitude of a businessman, you will have to be with businessman. For example, अगर आपको एक मैं आपको एक सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूं। अगर आप में से किसी भी एक आदमी, किसी भी एक बच्चे को जो दिन रात मान लो छिछोरापंती करते हैं, बदमाशी, आपके गली मोहल्ले में ऐसे लड़के लड़कियां होंगे जो बहुत छिछोरे हरकतें करते हैं, आप 6 महीने उनकी गैंग में चले जाओ, पता है क्या होगा? 6 महीने के बाद आपका एटीट्यूड और उनका एटीट्यूड सेम हो जाएगा। कैसे? बिकॉज यू कॉट देयर एटीट्यूड। वही 6 महीने आप अपने घर के नियरेस्ट लाइब्रेरी में जाके 6 महीने तक हर रोज 2 घंटे बैठो लाइब्रेरी में, और जितने आपके सिटी के सबसे अच्छे पढ़ने वाले बच्चे उनसे दोस्ती करो। 6 महीने के बाद आपका दिमाग और आपका एटीट्यूड पढ़ने लिखने वाले लोगों की तरफ चलने लगेगा। आप 6 महीने तक क्रिकेट खेलने वाली गैंग के साथ में जुड़ जाओ। स्टार्ट बीइंग विद दैट ग्रुप विच इज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट फॉर नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स। 6 महीने के बाद आपका एटीट्यूड क्रिकेटर जैसा हो जाएगा। 6 महीने तक आप बट्टेबाजों के साथ में हो जाओ। बट्टेबाज मतलब पीपल हु टेल लाइज, जो झूठे होते हैं, लोगों को चीट करते हैं, उनकी गैंग में चले जाओ। 6 मंथ्स तक आपका एटीट्यूड उनकी तरह हो जाएगा, क्योंकि एटीट्यूड इज ऑलवेज कॉट नॉट टॉट। आपके 5 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स आपका कैरेक्टर है, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस। सो अगर मुझे आपके बारे में पता करना है, मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है, मुझे सिर्फ आपके 5 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स का कैरेक्टर देखना है, एंड वो आपका कैरेक्टर है बाय डिफॉल्ट, बिकॉज उनका आपके सम साइंटिस्ट से कि आपके 5 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स के मार्क्स आपका एवरेज होता है। इसको ट्राई कीजिएगा। आई डू नॉट नो द सेकंड वन इज ट्रू और नॉट, बट द फर्स्ट वन इज। सो अगर आपको अपना एटीट्यूड किसी भी फील्ड में बढ़ाना है, नॉलेज, उस how do you increase your knowledge? By getting the right mentor, by getting the right internet books, and by getting the regular books. How do you get the skill? By practicing what you have done. And how do you get the attitude? Attitude सिर्फ एक अच्छे mentor से आता है। आप एक अच्छे mentor को लीजिए जो आपको अच्छी तालीम दे, अच्छी knowledge दे। अच्छा, what happens is you will start copying that mentor. For example, my mentor is Samuel Rajkumar Pata. So he's one of the best trainers I've seen in my life, and that's the reason I'm like him. Now let's go on. We are not dealing with this. So these are the 2 mindsets to check your attitude. आपका attitude 2 तरीके से check किया जा सकता है. Do you have a growth mindset or do you have a fixed mindset? इन दोनों में बहुत फर्क है. Fixed mindset क्या होता है कि नहीं, ऐसा ही होता है, ये नहीं कर सकते, हम लोग नहीं कर सकते. Whatever आपको दे दिया जाए आप उसके आगे नहीं सोच सकते, आप हमेशा गिव अप कर देते हो. इसको बोलते हैं फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट. ये ऐसे ही होता, मैं लड़की हूं, मैं ऐसे ही रहना, मैं लड़का हूं, मैं ऐसे ही रहना. My father is like this, my mother is like this, I will be like this only. It is known as fixed mindset. There is nothing wrong or right in having a fixed mindset. But please remember, fixed mindset will have limitations in attitude. Growth mindset is completely different. Growth mindset वो होते हैं जो हर बार फेल होने के बाद में सोचते हैं कि हम फिर कुछ नया ट्राई करेंगे. Fixed mindsets do not like to fail. They always like to stay in their comfort zone. आराम से सुकून की जिंदगी है, बाप यही कर लेंगे, मम्मी पापा का बिजनेस है उसी को देख लेंगे, भाई अम्मा सुकून है जिंदगी में. That is a fixed mindset. They don't want to take hardships, they don't want to experiment anything in life. But growth mindset is different. Growth mindset is those people who want to go out. ये दोनों अलग अलग एटीट्यूड्स हैं. अगर आपका फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट एटीट्यूड है, प्लीज स्टडी एंड डोंट डू एनीथिंग एल्स. और अगर आपका ग्रोथ माइंडसेट है, देन यू कैन थिंक ऑफ नॉट स्टडिंग. पर अगर आपका फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट है, प्लीज ओनली स्टडी. आप अगर आपको सुकून पसंद है जिंदगी में, आप फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट के इंसान हो. सिंपल. यू डू नॉट वांट, बहुत रिस्क नहीं लेना है, आराम से सुकून की जिंदगी जीना है बस. यू आर अ फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट. प्लीज स्टडी हार्ड, वर्क ऑन योर एकेडमिक स्किल्स एंड ग्रो इन लाइफ. बट अगर आपका ग्रोथ माइंडसेट है, जो लाइफ में चैलेंजेस लेना चाहते हैं, कुछ बड़ा करना है, बहुत बहुत आगे बढ़ना है, then is that is a different attitude altogether. Growth mindset attitude. हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं, इन दोनों के ऊपर 1 घंटे का सेशन है. The second thing for you to understand is your thinking. Now there are 2 kinds of thinkers, negative thinkers and critical thinkers. Negative thinkers वो हैं जो हर चीज में गलती ढूंढते हैं, अपने में और दूसरों में, उनको हम बोलते हैं नेगेटिव थिंकर्स. And critical thinkers वो हैं जब उनको डांटेंगे भी. For example, someone scolds you, and even in this scolding, you will try to find कि मेरे को किसी ने अगर डांटा तो क्यों डांटा है मुझे, मतलब रीजन क्या है. मेरे इस्माइल अन्ना मुझे डांट दिए, क्यों डांटे मेरे को, मैं ऐसा क्या करा, मेरे मम्मी ने मुझे डांटा, क्यों, मेरे को सब लोग बोल रहे कि तू पढ़ ले, क्यों, why. That is a critical thinker. Critical thinker हमेशा सक्सेसफुल होते हैं. नेगेटिव थिंकर कैसा डांटे तुम मेरे को, कैसा बोले मेरे को, मैं तो हर्ट हो गया, मैं तुमसे बात ही नहीं करता हूँ. That is a negative thinker. Now ask yourself कि जब आपको कोई करेक्शन या फीडबैक देता है, तो आप नेगेटिव थिंकर हो या क्रिटिकल थिंकर हो. Whenever someone tells you something, आप इन दोनों में से एक करते हो. I like the emotional flowing out. क्रिटिकल थिंकर हर डांट के बाद में ये बोलता है, थैंक यू, आपने मुझे डांटा, मैं इससे कुछ सीखूंगा और आगे बढ़ूंगा. जब आप फेल होंगे, जब आपको किसी ने बोल दिया कि तू तू तो काली है रे, तू तू गिड्डा है, तू मोटा है, आई एम नॉट लुकिंग गुड, नेगेटिव थिंकर, बैठ के बस रोते डब्बे के अंदर में। नाउ आस्क योरसेल्फ, इन दोनों में से कौन है? दिस विल डिसाइड कि आपका एटीट्यूड क्या है। सिंपल। नाउ व्हिच वन ऑफ दीस आर यू? आस्क योरसेल्फ दिस क्वेश्चन। एक नेगेटिव थिंकर अपने स्किल्स नहीं बढ़ा सकता है, प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट। नेगेटिव थिंकर विल ऑलवेज हैव प्रॉब्लम इंक्रीजिंग देयर स्किल्स, बिकॉज वो सिर्फ रोते रहते सुबह से शाम तक। A critical thinker is that person who will always grow because he will ask questions to himself. The third quality to check your attitude is this one. Do you ask people the right questions and do you listen? The golden, ये सबसे important है। आप लोगों से सवाल पूछते हैं, पहली चीज। अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप ये क्लास में आए, so what one of the things you should be asking is कि मैं इस क्लास में क्या सीखने आया हूं, व्हाट एम आई लर्निंग, व्हाट एम आई लर्निंग। आप अभी नोटबुक, आप में से कुछ लोग नोटबुक लेकर आए हैं। यू आर दोज पीपल हु आस्क क्वेश्चंस अपने आप से। आपको किसी ने इनवाइट किया कहीं पे, क्यों जाना है मुझे वहां पे, क्या करना है? ऑलवेज आस्किंग द राइट क्वेश्चंस, जो हर चीज के पहले वाई लगाते हैं। एंड इसका गोल्डन क्वेश्चन इज वाई। जिस दिन आपने ये वाई वाला क्वेश्चन सीख लिया, उस दिन से आपके अंदर में राइट एटीट्यूड आ जाएगा। मुझे मैं पबजी 2 घंटे खेलना है, वाई। मुझे टीवी 4 घंटे देखना है, वाई। ऑलवेज आस्क योरसेल्फ दिस क्वेश्चन, वाई। अगर आप ये वाई वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछते हैं, आपके पास एटीट्यूड ग्रो नहीं होगा, स्किल ग्रो नहीं होगा। आपको किसी ने बोला पढ़ो, पूछो क्यों। आपको किसी ने बोला कि ये आस्क जो मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूं, पूछो क्यों। मैंने आपको इसलिए जवाब दे रहा हूं, क्यों। Anytime, anything you do in your life, always ask yourself this one question, क्यों, कायकू करना। उधर जाके ना आधा, चलो उसके बारे में मुचटलू मारेंगे, कायकू, वाई। जिस दिन आपने वाई पूछा, किसी ने आपको एक फालतू फॉरवर्ड भेज दिया व्हाट्सएप पे, भेजने से पहले सवाल पूछो, क्यों भेजूं मैं इसको, क्यों। जिस दिन आपने पूछ लिया, आपका एटीट्यूड ऐसे चेंज हो जाएगा। हम सवाल नहीं पूछते हैं खुद से। We do not ask questions to ourselves, and that's the reason हम हमेशा नेगेटिव थिंकिंग में रहते हैं। एंड सेकंड, जब कोई भी बंदा जिसके पास आपसे 2 ग्राम भी ज्यादा नॉलेज है कुछ बोल रहा हो, चुपचाप सुनो। इंडियंस दुनिया के सबसे बैड लिसनर्स हैं। सर्वे, मैं एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट हूं एंड मैं आपको सर्वे से बोल रहा हूँ, इंडियंस कांट लिसन। उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल है, वो हमेशा उंगली करते रहना कहीं ना कहीं। कोई कुछ बोल रहा है, हाँ इधर उधर देखते रहना, कुछ तो भी करते, हरकतें करते रहना बीच बीच में। दैट्स हाउ इंडियंस आर। जैसे सम ऑफ यू, डिड यू नोटिस, इतने इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक में भी आप लोगों में से कुछ 3-4 लोग हैं जो साइड में एनोटेशंस करते जा रहे हैं। देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि आपके पास सुनने की आदत ही नहीं है। दैट इज द रीजन। जब आप सुनेंगे नहीं, प्लीज रिमेंबर, आपके रिलेशनशिप्स नहीं बनेंगे। सबसे पहले नॉलेज बढ़ाने के लिए सुनना पड़ता है, एटीट्यूड बढ़ाने के लिए सुनना पड़ता है, स्किल बढ़ाने के लिए सुनना पड़ता है, तीनों के लिए। इफ यू डू नॉट लिसन, इन तीनों में से कुछ भी नहीं बढ़ेगा। दैट इज द ओनली वे टू इंक्रीज ऑल दिस थिंग्स। So I'll quickly revise all this once again. Ask yourself this question. I'm done almost, Ishmael. Do you have a growth mindset? कि नहीं, कुछ करना है जिंदगी में, फिक्स नहीं रहूंगा, मेरे को आई हैव टू डू समथिंग। मुझको अपनी कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलना है। मुझे, मैं जहां पे भी रहता हूँ, आई एम नॉट हैप्पी। आई वांट टू डू समथिंग फॉर माय मदर एंड फादर। आई वांट टू डू समथिंग फॉर माय फैमिली। मुझे कुछ बड़ा करना है। दैट्स ग्रोथ माइंडसेट। चैलेंजेस से आगे रहते हैं ये लोग। सेकंड, आर यू अ क्रिटिकल थिंकर और अ नेगेटिव थिंकर? अपने आप को सवाल पूछिए। थर्ड, डू यू ऑलवेज आस्क व्हाई? क्यों करना है मुझे ये, क्यों? पूछते हैं ये सवाल? इफ द आंसर इज यस, ग्रेट। दूसरा, डू यू लिसन व्हेन यू हैव टू लिसन? इफ यू आर एबल टू डू दिस 4 थिंग्स, आपका एटीट्यूड, नॉलेज, स्किल खुद ब खुद बढ़ जाएगा। नाउ I'll just quickly give you a glimpse of this. I'm not going to deal with this because I don't have a lot of time. Now please remember, अगर आप लाइफ में कभी भी सक्सेसफुल होंगे, You need to have this entire thing to be successful. एक second, my phone is. It's from Bangalore. Please take this call. एक second, kids. I'm just giving it to my wife. Okay. So I'm just finishing with this. Now, आप लोग बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि एक इंसान सक्सेसफुल कब होता है. I will tell you एक इंसान सक्सेसफुल कब होता है. जिस दिन आपका फाइनेंस, आपकी हेल्थ, आपकी सोशल लाइफ, आपकी स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ, यस स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ, आपकी करियर और आपकी फैमिली, ये सारी चीजें बैलेंस होंगी, उस दिन आप सक्सेसफुल बनेंगे. आप लोगों में से जो भी लोग सोचते हैं कि मैं सिर्फ पैसे कमा लिया तो सक्सेसफुल बन जाऊंगा, यू आर रॉन्ग, कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. इफ यू डू नॉट हैव अ फैमिली एंड यू हैव ओनली मनी, यू आर अ फेलियर. अगर आपके पास सिर्फ पैसे हैं और हेल्थ नहीं है, आपको कैंसर है, कोई फायदा नहीं है आपके पैसे का. अगर आपके पास हजारों दोस्त हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे 50 फॉलोअर है और पैसे नहीं है, कोई फायदा नहीं है. अगर आपके पास एक करियर है और उसमें सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं है और उसमें आप ग्रो नहीं हो रहे हैं, कोई फायदा नहीं है. सो in order to become successful, you need to have a balance of all of this. And I'm sure Ishmael, this is known as the wheel of life, and Ishmael will help you learn wheel of life soon. Either I'll give him the content or Ishmael can find the content himself. आप इस wheel of life के बारे में पढ़िए in your future further sessions. If you think any one of you can be successful only if you have all of these balanced out, it means आपके पास financial प्लानिंग के स्किल्स रहना, आपके पास फिटनेस एंड न्यूट्रिशन की नॉलेज रहना, आपके पास सोशल नेटवर्किंग की नॉलेज एंड स्किल दोनों रहना, आपके पास एक स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ रहना. आपके अंदर में तभी पीस होगा जब ये प्रेयर एंड मेडिटेशन होगा. यू हैव आपको शांति चाहिए, राइट? पीस डज नॉट कम विद मनी, पीस डज नॉट कम विद एनी वन ऑफ दिस. पीस ओनली कम्स विद स्पिरिट व्हेन यू आर स्पिरिचुअल. यू नीड टू हैव अ करियर. अगर आपके पास करियर नहीं है तो आप सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकते हैं. और अगर आपके पास फैमिली की बॉन्डिंग और लव नहीं है, आप एक इनकम्प्लीट, आप एक फ्रूट हैं जिसके पास ट्री नहीं है. इमेजिन अ फ्रूट विदाउट अ ट्री इज अ यूजलेस फ्रूट, क्योंकि वो जमीन पे गिरा हुआ रहेगा. आपके पास बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है रिलेशनशिप्स. इफ यू कैन मास्टर ऑल ऑफ दिस, जिस दिन आपने ये सारों को बैलेंस कर लिया, उस दिन आप बोलिएगा कि आप सक्सेसफुल हैं. उस दिन तक आप सक्सेसफुल नहीं है. सिर्फ पैसे से, सिर्फ फैमिली के लव से, सिर्फ जॉब करने से, सिर्फ दिन रात दुआ करते रहने से, या सिर्फ दोस्त बनाने से. फैमिलीज ओनली फैमिली के ऊपर सारा टाइम स्पेंड कर देना. करियर सिर्फ काम 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 और फैमिली को टाइम नहीं देना. स्पिरिचुअल सिर्फ प्रेयर प्रेयर प्रेयर, दुआ करते रहना, नमाज पढ़ते रहना, चर्च जाना, मंदिर जाना और कुछ नहीं करना. पढ़ना लिखना नहीं है, खाली यही काम करना है. नो. सिर्फ दोस्ती में टाइम बिता देना है. ओनली सोशल लाइफ. 200 दोस्त है, क्या करोगे उनके? अचार डालोगे 200 दोस्तों का? सिर्फ दिन रात जिम को जाके हेल्थ बना रहे, सिक्स पैक बना रहे, क्या करोगे उसका? सिर्फ पैसे हैं पर और कुछ भी नहीं है, क्या करोगे उसका? यू नीड टू हैव ऑल ऑफ दीज टू कंसिडर योरसेल्फ एज सक्सेसफुल. जिस दिन you want to be successful, fulfill all of these, and that is the day you will become successful. Do you think it's difficult? No, it is not. It's super easy to do any one of these. आपके पास बहुत ज्यादा पैसे की जरूरत, बहुत ज्यादा फैमिली लव, बहुत ज्यादा किसी की जरूरत नहीं. इन सबको बैलेंस कर लीजिए, you will become a successful person. And that's it. Do you think you can do this? Whatever जो भी मैंने आपको बोला, do you think it is difficult or it is easy? सिर्फ आप Y टाइप कर सकते हैं. अल्फाबेट्स आपके पास ऑप्शन है, एक स्टार डाल दीजिए या हार्ट डाल दीजिए स्क्रीन के ऊपर में. यू कैन डू दैट, और यू कैन इवन पुट इट इन द चैट दैट यस आई कैन. सिंपल. व्हाटएवर आई सेड, थैंक यू. If you want to use annotations, you can use annotations. If you want to use the chat, please say chat. Whatever I said is super easy. Anyone can do it. I did it long back when I was a student, and today I'm reaping the benefits out of it. Thank you. So if anybody has any questions, you can quickly ask me those questions, and we will stop the session over here. Now you can stop the annotations. Everybody, thank you. And कुछ भी आपके पास अगर questions हैं तो please मुझसे पूछ लीजिए. I'll give you exactly 2 minutes to ask me those questions, and we are done.
Guys, you can ask questions in chat box.
Yep.
Yeah. I have one
Yes,
personal
please.
question. Like today I heard and I am super motivated, and like after sleeping tonight,
Okay.
I'll forget tomorrow. What to do?
Nothing. You need to have an accountability partner. All of you, thank you, Ishmael, for that amazing question. We call it an accountability partner. Accountability partner वो होता है जो आपको लात मार के रोज बिस्तर से निकालता है. मतलब if you notice, मैं आपको एक simple example देता हूँ. I do not know whether I will be able to show you this or not. Ishmael, you know that I run every day, right?
Yes, yes,
आपको
Anand.
पता है मैं क्यों
Yes,
भागता
yes.
हूँ? क्योंकि मेरे पास 70 लोग हैं जो मुझे एवरीडे देखते हैं कि मैं भाग रहा हूँ. इफ यू नोटिस, ये सारे के सारे मेरे अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर्स हैं. मैंने भागा है 90 किलोमीटर इस महीने. सेकंड इज साई सुदन. अगर मैं एक भी दिन नहीं भागता हूं तो ये लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि आप क्यों नहीं भागे. मेरे पास इतने अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर्स हैं, तो मैं लेजी बन ही नहीं सकता हूँ. ईच वन ऑफ यू नीड टू हैव एन अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर. ये अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर क्या होता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल पूजा एंड मैं अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर है. थैंक यू पूजा फॉर स्विचिंग ऑन योर कैमरा. सो पूजा एवरीडे मुझसे सुबह एक सवाल पूछेगी, मिस्टर जॉय बाबू, क्या आपने आज ये किताब पढ़ी? फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं सोने से पहले पूजा को बोलूंगा कि पूजा, पूजा माँ, टुडे आई विल रीड दिस 5 पेजेस. जॉय सर ने हम लोग को एटीट्यूड स्किल नॉलेज में दिया, ये 5 पेजेस है. मैं ये 5 पेजेस पढ़ के कल तुमको बताता. एंड पूजा मुझे बोलेगी, ओके जॉय, मैं तुम्हारे जितनी स्मार्ट नहीं हूँ, मैं सिर्फ 10 पेजेस पढ़ती. सो कल मैं पूजा से पूछूंगा, पूजा माँ, डिड यू रीड दोस 10 पेजेस? एंड पूजा मुझसे पूछेगी, क्या आपने वो 5 पेज पढ़े? वी विल फॉलो दिस अप एवरी डे. एंड हम ये प्लान बनाएंगे 30 डेज का. 30 दिन के बाद आपको फॉलो अप की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, क्योंकि आपकी हैबिट बन जाएगी. थैंक यू यास्मीन. सो पूजा एंड यास्मीन कैन बी पार्टनर्स इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर. तो इस्माइल, यू कैन मेक them into accountability partners. Give them small goals. As a mentor, you give the goals to the whole class and make them accountability partners. Do not ask पूजा कि तुमने क्यों नहीं किया. मुझसे पूछो, जॉय बाबू, पूजा ने कैसे क्यों नहीं पढ़ा, पूजा ने मुझे बताओ. एंड पूजा से पूछो कि जॉय क्या को नहीं पढ़ा. Are you understanding? You question the accountability partner, not the person. So accountability partner is one of because they don't have mentors. For you, you have a mentor who is your accountability partner. But as students, you need to have an accountability partner जो आपकी मदद करेगा. Have one and follow up. Take small goals, weekly goals, and have an accountability partner. They will help you do it.
Joy Bhaiya, I too have a question.
Yes, please.
Like
Sounds
I'm also a co-fellow with as
Yes.
Ismail.
Yes.
So, like for the children, as you have mentioned, like knowledge skill is important, and automatically attitude should be caught. So for many of them will be like book lovers, and many of them in order to gain knowledge, as you have mentioned, to gain knowledge. So what book do you recommend for all these children? कौन सी बुक लिए तो पढ़े तो अच्छा रहता अभी?
Okay. See,
To start with.
you can't give them one book. See, all of them will have different different game plans or different visions in their mind. For example, मुझे creative stories अच्छी लगती है. One book which I can suggest all of them, it's an audio book. ठीक है, पढ़ने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Ishmael, you should read that book. Listen to that book. It's a 2-hour book. It is known as The Little Prince. Please type कर लो chat में. It's known as The Little Prince. उसकी ऑडियो बुक है. अगर आपने किताब पढ़ ली, आप सबके क्रिएटिव ब्रेन जाग जाएंगे. मतलब किसी भी बच्चे में जिसमें क्रिएटिविटी नहीं है, वो लिटिल प्रिंस बुक पढ़ो, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी खुद ब खुद एक्टिवेट हो जाएगी. इट्स अ क्रिएटिव बुक एंड इट इज नंबर 1 सेलिंग बुक अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. द लिटिल प्रिंस, फॉर स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन, फॉर स्टूडेंट्स स्पेशली, to help you become more proactive and to help you in decision making, and number 1 to make you creative. ये सिर्फ क्रिएशन है. ये सिर्फ एक बुक है. अगर इनको पॉजिटिव बनना है तो अलग बुक. अगर इनको जिस भी फील्ड में पढ़ना है तो बुक्स विल बी डिफरेंट. सो देयर इज नो स्पेसिफिक बुक एट ऑल. But I'll have to find out. So what exactly would they like to know? Based on that, I can give them a book, because I'm a behavioral psychologist. We can't say, okay, I don't know what is written. It just went off. So because I can't suggest, I'm a psychologist, I can't suggest them psychology books at all.
Yeah, I can find that book online and I can send to everyone.
Yeah, Little Prince is there on
Yeah.
YouTube. आपको कुछ नहीं
Sure.
करना है. YouTube पे जाइए, Little Prince मारिए, ऑडियो बुक अभी निकल जाएगा.
Not now, after the session.
After the session.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
So
you,
Anna,
sir.
I'll wrap this up with one final question. I want you to tell about yourself, like you know, your worth, like all these years you worked so hard, and I want our kids to know, like you know, what is that fruit of all your hard work. Like I want you to talk about how much you you know, earn per hour, and how much people wait for you, and like the strength of your network. Like I want you to please just talk about it for a minute, and then we can wrap it up, guys.
Seriously?
Guys, this is the most interesting part that I always want to hear from Anna. So
Okay.
yeah.
First of all, I would like to tell you guys something very, very interesting. This will take 2 minutes, okay? So I come from an army background. I studied in an army school और मेरे स्कूल में सिर्फ आर्मी ऑफिसर्स बनते हैं, ओनली आर्मी ऑफिसर्स. मेरे बैच में 120 स्टूडेंट्स थे जिसमें से 108 आर्मी ऑफिसर बने. 12 लोग सुपर टैलेंटेड थे, उनमें से मैं हूं जो आर्मी ऑफिसर नहीं बने. समझ गए? मतलब टैलेंटेड जो गधे थे सब आर्मी ऑफिसर, एयरफोर्स पायलट, ये सब बन गए लोग, नेवल ऑफिसर्स. बट 12 जीनियस थे उस क्लास में, उनमें से मैं भी एक जीनियस हूँ जो नहीं बना. क्यों मालूम है? क्योंकि क्लास 10 में मेरे को निकाल दिया. मेरे को मैथ्स में सिर्फ 34 मार्क्स मिले थे. 34. मेरे स्कूल में अगर 60 से एक भी मार्क नीचे मिला तो भागो बोलते हैं, निकल जाओ स्कूल से. I was not a good student. I'll honestly, if you think only 90% मार्क वाले लोग बड़ा काम कर सकते हैं, झूठ है. My parents kicked me out of the house. I was thrown in a hostel. I studied there. मैं इतना टैलेंटेड था कि क्लास 11 में मेरा साइंस कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ. मैं मिडिल में यूनिवर्सिटी वालों को एप्लीकेशन लिखा, बाबू मैं बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हूँ, साइंस नहीं होता मेरे से, इतनी नॉलेज है मेरे को, साइंस तो होगा ही नहीं, मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ता हूँ. So I have done my class 11th and 12th in arts, not in science. My first job was the job of a sales boy. आपने किस शॉपर स्टॉप का नाम सुना है बेगमपेट में? मैंने वहां पे कपड़े बेच के अपने करियर शुरू करा क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट था ना, तो उससे बड़ा जॉब मेरे को दे नहीं सकते थे. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा जॉब मेरे को मिला कपड़े बेचने का. मैं सेल्स बॉय था एंड आई सोल्ड क्लोथ्स फॉर 4 years. क्यों मालूम है? क्योंकि ना तो मेरे पास नॉलेज था, ना एटीट्यूड था, ना स्किल था, तीनों भी नहीं थे. एकदम ISI मार्क वाला गधा था मैं. But then one fine day I met one mentor who told me about Ask, and then I started reading and मैंने पढ़ना शुरू करा. Today I am an international corporate trainer. I am one of the top 9 speakers in the country according to 2009 stats. And I don't want to tell them how much I earn per hour, but I earn more than 5,000 rupees per hour. मैं उतना ही बोलूंगा, उससे ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगा. Per hour people pay me more than 5,000 rupees. आप गैस कर लीजिए जितना लोग महीने में शायद कमाते हैं. क्यों मालूम है? क्योंकि मैंने अपनी नॉलेज, स्किल और एटीट्यूड पे काम किया है, तीनों के ऊपर एक साथ में. इट इज अप टू यू. योर देखिए, इस दुनिया में सबसे बड़े प्रोडक्ट आप हैं. आप अपने पे
Aren't you talking about 5,000 per month?
नो, पर आवर.
Per hour, 60 minutes.
यस, 60 minutes.
For 60 minutes you speak, people are ready to pay even more than 5,000.
Yeah, I'll not give you the exact amount. That is the
Okay.
minimum is 5,000. गरीब organizations will pay me 5,000. Good organizations I will not even tell you. कुछ लोगों को हार्ट अटैक आ जाएगा तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. And do you know मैं महीने में 5 से 6 दिन से ज्यादा काम नहीं करता हूँ. Because 5 दिन काम करने से मैं जो लोग महीने में कमाते हैं उनसे 5 महीने से ज्यादा मैं 5 दिन में कमा लेता हूँ. And that is not about, it's not about me. मेरी वैल्यू मालूम है किधर है? ये है मेरी वैल्यू. इनकी वजह से मुझे लोग इज्जत करते हैं, मेरी वजह से नहीं. मैंने शुरू में बोला, nobody respects joy. People respect the knowledge, the skill and the attitude which joy has. I am the head of 7 states in India. आप में से किसी ने वासवी कॉलेज सुना है? मैं उसका एडवाइजर हूँ. काइट कॉलेज सुना है? मैं उसका भी एडवाइजर हूँ. आहद ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स का भी मैं 12 स्कूल्स का और अराउंड 4 कॉलेजेस का एडवाइजर एंड डायरेक्टर हूँ. एंड ये सारे स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस मुझे पे करते हैं. So now you think about it. It is super important for you. If you guys want to be successful, it's super important for you to study. Please पढ़िए. And it will really change you. मेरे जैसा class 10 kicked out अगर यहाँ तक पहुँच सकता है, आप लोग क्या क्या कर सकते हो सोच लो.
Wow, thank you so much, Anna. Thank you so much for your time and this, motivating us and giving us all the points which are much needed. Guys, you can show your gratitude to Sir, like, in your chat box, you can comment. Yeah, I'm giving you 30 seconds left. You can just text, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? And, you want more sessions like this, just, if possible, also text on Joy, sir, please come once again. Yeah. Great.
Thank you everybody.
Some
God bless
amazing
you.
comments I can see.
I'll just pray that all of you become super successful. क्योंकि successful बनना बहुत easy है. जिस दिन ने आपने अपने पे काम करना चालू कर दिया, आपकी success चालू. You have to work on yourself. That's it.
Yeah, guys, I'm going to share the feedback form link. It will take not more than 1 minute. Please quickly fill that feedback form. Yeah. In your chat box. Yeah, you got your feedback form link.
IOH 1112.
I request all of you to please take the feedback form. Yeah, fill it up. I'll be sharing it in the groups also. Ahmad, can you please share it to my WhatsApp? Yeah.
Okay, I can drop now, please.
Yes, Anna. Thank you so much. Yes,
Okay,
Samir.
Thank you, everybody. God bless you. Thank you, Samir and Ishmael, for calling me. Thank you to the other gentlemen who spoke before me. God bless you all. Take care of yourselves. And always remember, no one can beat you. आप हमेशा successful रहेंगे. Thank you. मेरा time हो गया. Actually, I need to catch up in another meeting. चलो, bye.
All right.
Bye, Anna. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, everybody.
Yeah. Guys, thank you so much for attending, and I request you to please fill the feedback form. Yeah, as we will be enjoying few songs.
Ismail, you said WhatsApp, Google link, you're saying?
Yeah.
I'm sharing.